Can I recreate a starter box from Warhammer 40k using 3D printing? My friends are starting to get back into Warhammer 40k, and they are getting some of the newer starter boxes. I'm going to join them, but I want something a little bit different, and I'm going to use some of my new hobbies to make it. So I asked myself, can I recreate a starter box from Warhammer 40k using 3D printing? Which then led to, can I recreate all of the Warhammer 40k and Age of Sigmar starter boxes using 3D printing? So I'm not going to completely recreate these. I'm not looking for one-to-one exact copies. I'm going to be looking for similar files or proxies. That should allow me to make some pretty cool looking armies. I've been collecting 3D files for about 2 years now, so I'm going to dig through everything I have, and I should be able to come up with some decent options for these starters. Now, if this project didn't seem big enough already, I've also decided to paint everything. I haven't painted much in a really long time, but I recently got a new desk set up, and I found some paints that I've been hoarding for probably 15 years. So this seems like the perfect project to get those out and then learn and hone some of my painting skills. I'm already working on the first army, and it should be ready by Friday, so come back then. Thanks for watching this little teaser, and if you'd like to follow the project, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.